El Pollo Loco is praised for its flame-grilled chicken and fresh ingredients, offering a healthier fast food alternative. Yelp reviewers frequently highlight the well-seasoned chicken and flavorful sides like rice and beans. However, several customers complain about the inconsistent service, citing slow order processing and occasional mix-ups in takeout orders. Trustpilot reviews echo these concerns, emphasizing long wait times and varying food quality. While some diners appreciate the authentic taste and affordable prices, others mention deteriorating service and smaller portion sizes. Overall, El Pollo Loco delivers a satisfying meal when serving standards are met, but may fall short during peak hours.